In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Gmail with Trello so you can turn emails into actionable tasks in just a few clicks. If you're constantly switching between your inbox and your project boards, this integration will save you a huge amount of time and help you stay organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to convert any email into a Trello card directly from Gmail. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Trello for Gmail. You'll see the official Trello add-on appear in the results. Click on Trello for Gmail to open the app listing page. This is the official integration that allows Gmail and Trello to work together seamlessly. Once you're on the Trello for Gmail page, click on the Continue button. Google will now prompt you to begin the installation process. At this stage, you'll need to choose the Google account that you want to connect with Trello. Make sure you select the account you actively use for Gmail, especially if you manage multiple accounts. After selecting your account, Google will display a permission screen. This step is important because Trello needs certain permissions to read your emails and allow you to create cards directly from your inbox. Carefully review the permissions, and when you're ready, click Allow to complete the Gmail integration steps. Within a few seconds, the add-on will be installed and connected to your Gmail account. Once the installation is complete, click Done to finalize the setup. That's it for the technical installation part. Now let's talk about how this actually works inside Gmail. Open your Gmail inbox. On the right-hand sidebar, you'll now see the Trello icon. Click on it to open the Trello panel. If prompted, log into your Trello account and authorize the connection between Gmail and Trello. Once logged in, you'll see your Trello boards directly inside Gmail. Now here's the powerful part. Open any email that you want to turn into a task. With the email open, click the Trello icon in the sidebar. You'll see an option to create a new card. The email subject line will automatically become the Trello card title, and the body of the email will be added into the card description. This means you don't have to copy and paste anything manually. Next, choose the board where you want the card to be created. Then select the specific list within that board. For example, you might choose a list called To Do, Incoming Requests, or Client Tasks. Once you've selected the board and list, click Add Card. Within seconds, the card will be created in Trello with all the email details included. You can then open Trello separately to add due dates, labels, attachments, team members, or checklists just like you would with any other card. This integration is incredibly useful for managing support emails, client requests, sales inquiries, or even personal tasks. Instead of letting important emails get buried in your inbox, you can instantly convert them into organized tasks on your Trello boards. And that's how you integrate Gmail with Trello. It only takes a couple of minutes to set up, and once it's connected, you can turn emails into Trello cards directly from your inbox without any extra tools. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.